Sorkar Meghalaya kyrpad juri iwei pa iwei nongshong shnong jong jylla iatreilang na bynta iakhun khlam Jingpang COVID-19 kaba mynta kala sdang ban par stet bha jylla. Uba prestun tinsong minturang ba benrap sorkar jylla hakalai terek mentau benai habai krem klap thai khubor ulong ba mynta kamde shukapor ban Ialehkai ba unu Khniang Jingpang berkumtau kyrpad juri baro kibriu ban kongu bat buromi ki kendon balabu na bynta ke jingmentoi jong baro.
Nga ong ipi ngemla asu ban Ialehkai ya kanika khlam kaba jia kaba stet hadu kata-kata hang ni pok jylla jong tengah trai ladai ban suku apa kanika apil ke kyrpad ke persyaan yang jongi nak leng sorkar kolong kaba syai kedak ba ngem dakwa ban ong bangit pensitom yano ki ba violate ki ba perkhen kan ngang so ban ong ba ya kane ladai pi penken kabang put pi penken ya ka an dalade yalade pikwa ba let's say kayeng kasem joki kan yo yu nu kjang Jingpang bat kala belong bakat poi kapor ba barok ni yak lut tes ngau ba watchim ba kanika kren ba kanika apil ke kyrpad na keloska bakan lo ke kamkai ngai nakaliang jong sorkar ngi de kyrpad da ka ba khia mesin bangi dei bandon ka mesin joki iatreilang bat ngi dei ru bandon ke jing burom bat ke jing perkhat na kam ta ka safety na kam ta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ka wei pa koi ka thluying hapo ka jylla Meghalaya jong i paro
Uba prestun ula benrap ru ba mynta ka sorkar kampat perkhat ia ke Jingkhang dam ka bapura hindai ka kyrpad pat ikipat ba bakin pintikna ban yada ilade ban laj na kani.
And we are monitoring 24/7 about the search, the position, the situation that we have. But till today, let me just tell you, still lockdown is not an option. We don't go for lockdown. But I would fervently request all the concerned citizens of the state to kindly be sure of yourself that you don't get infection. Not to get infection is what? You need to take care of yourself. You need to maintain your social distance. You need to wear your mask 24/7 when you are out of your houses, and also to avoid unnecessary movement here and there because it may lead to infection.